Okay, I would like to do a quick unboxing of the PeriPage thermal printer. I ordered it on AliExpress and I ordered the printer with 6 sticky paper rolls and the big package with accessories. I received the printer, of course. A roll of some kind. I assume this is the photo paper. I think this is the label paper. Yeah, it says so over here. The case for the printer. Here it is. We'll try it on later. We have this colored paper. I'm not sure what these are, but some more rolls of paper. Nine rolls of these. I assume 3 are sticky paper from the big package and 6 from the ones I ordered. And also 6 rolls of what I assume is just white paper. Okay, so here's the printer. Let's look at it. Comes in a very cute box. And here we have it. We can see the printer. It's very cute. It has a button over here. Then we have a charging cable. And when you press this button 2 times, you get a QR code. So this QR code you scan in the app, and this lets it pair to your printer. Okay, so let's look at the case. Here we have it. So it has holes cut out. This is not a hole. It has some sticky residue on here. And let's open it up. Okay, so it has 2 of these little clips. And one just popped off. That's great. But it slides back on really easily, so no problem. Also, cord. Yeah, I think you can put these in either hole. So let's put the printer inside. Yeah. Well, it's a very nice fit, of course. And here it is. It looks a little bit less pretty, but it's protected, so that's good. So now let's open up the app and see how it does. Okay, so here I've just installed and opened the app, and let's click on the button that says login. Oh, and it says PeriPage would like to use Bluetooth, and I assume the same thing in Japanese or Chinese. Okay. Then we get some text. Turned on the device first. Click here, you can add devices. Okay, I know. Well, let's press the button. Okay, I hold it in for some longer. It's on now. So let's add the device. Yeah, so it says double click the power button to get the device QR code first. Click here to scan device QR code to add device. So I tested it already and this is the QR code that came out. I assume it's this one, but let's scan the code. Like the access camera, okay. And we get, oh yeah, I think it's paired now. So we have multiple options here. We have image and text, text printing, AR, label, to-do list, document printing, text recognition, learn Chinese, web print, and banner printing. I'll just try to print an image. Okay, so I just picked a random picture and here we can see it now. We can adjust the size, where you want it. And I'm not sure what the other buttons do. Let's see. Oh, this one mirrors it. And I'm not sure what this button does, but oh well. So let's go to print, and here we have our little friend, and let's press print. Okay, so this is the preview. We get a little panda, and we have some settings over here, and it says it's about 6 centimeters. So let's just press print. Oh, yeah, so now you can see. Let's press print. And there you have it. The cutest panda just came out. You can just rip it off. And there it is. So, overall, I think it's very cute. It does the job, and yeah, it's well worth the money I paid for it. Okay, so I got some more things I would like to add. First of all, I found out that this little thing lets you turn your image. So if you want it upside down, or if you got a oddly shaped picture, you can just turn it so it's nicer on the page. Also, if you press this button for a longer time and the light goes out, your machine is out, and it opens by, I'm not sure if you can see, but it has 2 arrows over here, and if you carefully slide into this direction, it will open. And it also came with 1 roll of photo paper pre-installed. The tricky part is closing it up again. Just make sure that the seams are nice. Then I press down, and when it pops, you know it's closed. I also wanted to mention the quality of a picture. So say for instance you would like to print this picture, very nice quality. It will turn out looking like this. It's not bad quality, but just so you know what you can expect from it. So that's really the end now. Bye bye.